All right, we are going to be solving another interesting question on circuit analysis. All right, so if you look at the above diagram, we are going to be finding the current across 12 ohms resistor, the current across 24 ohms resistor, and the current across 16 ohms resistor, and the current across 8 ohms resistor. So by the time this 15 ampere enter into this node, it gets splitted, right? I think I made a mistake here. Right. All right, we are going to be solving another interesting question on the application of current divider rule in circuit analysis. All right, now if you look at the above diagram rather, we want to find I1, I2, I3, and I4. If you look at this diagram clearly, you are going to observe that 15 ampere, when it gets into this node, it gets splitted into what? I1, I2, I3, and what? I4. I hope you understand. So if you have watched our previous video on when we have 3 resistors in parallel, you should be able to solve this question. All right. So we have how many resistors here? 4 resistors. So let's call this R1. R1 is equals to 12 ohms. R2 is equals to 24 ohms. R3 is equals to R3 is equals to 16 ohms, and R4 is equals to 8 ohms, and the total current entering the circuit is what? Is 15 ampere. All right, I hope you recall. Please, if you have not watched our video on application of current divider rule when we have 3 resistors in parallel, please quickly watch that so that you have the proper understanding on this as well. All right, so now for us to find I1, we know that our formula is going to be what? I1 will be equals to, now I1 is going to be equals to what? 1 over R1. 1 over R1 all over what? The total, the sum of the total resistance, that is the inverse. 1 all over R1 plus 1 all over R2 plus 1 all over R3 plus 1 all over R4. So multiply by the total current that is entering the circuit. All right, so now I1 will be equals to, so let's substitute. This is going to be 1 all over what? 1 all over 12 all over what? 1 all over 12 plus 1 all over what? 24 plus 1 all over what? 16 plus 1 all over what? 1 all over 8. Then multiply by what? Multiply by total current, which is what? 15. And if you press this directly in your calculator, you are going to have your answer to be equals to what? 4 ampere. So this answer is going to be 4 ampere. I've already explained how to solve this in my previous video when we have 3 circuits in parallel. So you can still follow the same process. The LCM of 12, 24, 16, and 8. You find the LCM. When you get the LCM, you solve your normal mathematics. All right. So now let's go for I2. I2. All right, so I2 will be equals to what? 1 over R1 plus the summation of everything that we have here. So let's just substitute directly. Our R2 is 24, so we are going to have 1 all over 24 here, all over what? All over 1 all over R1, which is 12, plus 1 all over 24, plus 1 all over what? 16, plus 1 all over 8, right? So we put this in bracket, then we multiply by what? By the total current. So if you press this, you are going to be having 2 ampere. 2 ampere. So I2 will be equals to 2 ampere. All right. So now we want to look for I3. Again, this is going to change to what? 1 over R3. So I3 will be equals to 1 over R3. What is R3? R3 is 16. 1 over 16 all over what? 1 over R1, that is 1 over 12, plus what? 1 over 24, plus what? Plus 1 over 16, plus what? 1 over 8. So again, you multiply this by 15. So by the time you press this directly in your calculator, you are going to have your R3 to be what? 3 ampere. So this is going to be 3 ampere. You can confirm this for us. All right. So I4. All right. I4 will be equals to 1 over R4 like that. So that is going to be 1 over 8. 1 over 8 all over what? 1 over 12 plus 1 over 24 plus 1 over 16 plus 1 over 8. So if you multiply this by 15, you are going to have your answer to be equals to what? 6 ampere. So I hope you understand this clearly. All right, we have a handwritten material on circuit analysis, which is well structured and well simplified for you, just for you. And this material is written by us, and your guess is as good as mine. Anything written by us is what? Top notch. So do where to place order. And how do you get or how do you place your order? Just go to our description. You'll see the link that will link you directly to our WhatsApp. You can click on it and send us a direct message on WhatsApp, or you can also email us. Our email is also in the description, and place an order, we'll send it across to you. All right, please, and peradventure this is your first time coming across our content, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and click on the notification bell so that anytime we upload content like this, you will be the first to receive the notification. And don't forget to like, comment, and share. Don't be stingy with knowledge. Thank you. Stay tuned for more.